Hello all, welcome back to the wood area. Just thought I'd better check in, say hello and show you the new kid on the block that turned up yesterday. It's a bit of a joke, but I'm having some fun. I'm just running some fuel through it, a few tanks, trying to run it in a bit before I go putting it in the mill. But I can already tell it's very powerful. So it's all good. Rob is here, you can probably hear him axing away. He's been here since Monday, yeah, a couple of days. So I'm probably not going to film very much, obviously, because I never really do when I have guests here, you know, just chatting away and all of that. But yeah, you'll have just seen, or Ulrich, you'll have just specifically seen, because it was your idea, on the boom pole thing, I added a strap race to the top of it. So hopefully that will prevent any snappage, fingers crossed. But yeah, let me introduce you to the new thing. This came very fast, considering it was from China. It only took about a week and a half to come. But yeah, as you can see, it's a bit of a piss take. Bloody massive. So this is 92cc and about twice the power of the other one. So yeah, obviously I didn't buy this specifically for cutting firewood because there's just no need. This is purely for the milling operation as it evolves. It should be a lot better having a more powerful saw that doesn't need to run on full blast all the time. So therefore it should last longer, shouldn't explode as soon, and will be worth it. But yeah, so I'm just running it through some of it. I've done a load of firewood with it already, and now I'm just playing with it basically, but going about half throttle with the occasional blast, because you know, I'm sure hardcore chainsaw people will probably say, oh, it don't matter, just run it. But I know engines, and I know that a brand new engine, if you just take it out of the box and full blast it, it ain't going to last very long. So, especially a Chinese one. So I want to run it in a bit. What on earth? And get a few tanks of petrol through it before I rig it up in the mill. But yeah, it's got a skip tooth chain on it at the moment, so there's a tooth missing every one tooth basically, which means in theory it shouldn't pull as hard. I'm not actually going to use this chain in the mill. I've got a milling chain for it, but I think if I had a full tooth, is it, chain, or is it a full house chain or something, it'd probably be ragging me around a little bit, because it's got quite a bit of pull on it, this thing has. It's definitely torquey. So yeah, I'll just run it through this for a minute. It's not going to be a long chainsawing video. I just thought I'd update you and show you what's going on, basically, because this is about it at the moment, other than lots of nice chatting, catching up, having fires, probably going to have a barbecue, potatoes in a bit. Maybe I'll film a few clips for you, but as for doing stuff, yeah, this is what it looks like. Of course, I'm in the only place in the garden with mosquitoes now, so I'm going to fly this through here a few more times and then get on with the day, so I'll see you in a bit. Part of this is also stretching the brand new chain. You see that's pulled down a bit. I've adjusted it quite a few times already. That could do with being tightened up actually. But yeah, when you get a new chain you have to stretch it first. It's a bit like putting a new chain on a motorbike. You know, once you've installed it, you've got to check it after a while, haven't you? That's about right.
Although I guess we don't need butter, do we? Because we've got oil.
Yeah.
I think oil and plenty of salt. I think.
Yeah. Hello, Boo Boo Banner.